Hey, it's Rob Wozer, Keller Williams Realty, host of the Naples Area Real Estate Channel. On today's Community Spotlight, we're featuring VillageWalk in Bonita Springs, Florida. VillageWalk is a private lakefront community of luxury single-family patio and townhomes. VillageWalk is the town center clubhouse that offers all the amenities one would expect to see in an active lifestyle community, including fitness center, library, card room, game room, arts and crafts room. Interested in scheduling a showing at VillageWalk or interested in the VillageWalk lifestyle, call me today.